Greetings, chess enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into one of the most exhilarating moments in chess, checkmate. It's the ultimate goal of every game, the move that declares victory and leaves your opponent with no escape. Whether you're new to chess or a seasoned player, understanding checkmate is a must. So, let's unravel the secrets of this game-ending move together. First, what is checkmate? Checkmate occurs when your opponent's king is under attack, cannot move to a safe square, and no other move can capture or block the attacking piece. In essence, the king is trapped and the game is over. To achieve checkmate, you'll need to coordinate your pieces strategically and create a position where the opponent's king has nowhere to run. Let's take a look at an example. In this position, if white moves this rook here and give a check, is it checkmate? Let's see. Can white capture this rook? Can't. Can white block the check? Can't. Can white move the king to a safe square? Yes, king can go here or here and escape the check. So it's not checkmate. If white moves this rook here and give a check at checkmate, let's see. Can white capture this rook? Can't. Can white block the check? Can't. Can white move the king to a safe square? No, there is no safe square that the king can move to. King is in check and can't escape, so it's checkmate. In the last video, we learned about DoubleCheck, which is a powerful check. So let's see an example where DoubleCheck is used to force a checkmate. In this position, if white moves this knight here, king is under attack by both knight and rook, so it's a double check. Black can't capture the knight or the rook since it's a double check. To get out of check, king has to move. King can go here or here. Whichever it is, white move the rook here, and it's checkmate. Knights support the rook, so king can't capture. Also, knight guards the escape square. There are various checkmate patterns you can aim for, such as the back rank mate, corridor mate, or pawn mate. Each one requires different strategies and piece coordination. Checkmate is not just about brute force. It's about creating an inescapable trap that leaves the opponent's king with no moves. It's the pinnacle of chess strategy. Checkmate isn't just about winning. It's about outsmarting your opponent, predicting their moves, and executing a well-thought-out plan. It's the culmination of all your efforts during the game. But beware, not every game ends in checkmate. There's a scenario called stalemate, where the opponent's king isn't in check, but they have no legal moves left. It results in a draw rather than a win. Let's learn that in the next video. So, the next time you play chess, aim for that glorious moment of checkmate. It's the climax of the game, the sweet reward for your strategic brilliance. If you found this exploration of checkmate intriguing and educational, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more captivating chess insights. Remember, checkmate is the goal, but the journey through every move is what makes chess so endlessly fascinating. See you in the next video. Every checkmate is a testament to your chess prowess. Until next time,